Hello everyone, I am Ravi from Design Spark. Today we will learn how to create the super cool pixel stretch effect. Let's start from scratch. Select the rectangular marquee tool. And select very thin part of the subject. Select subject keeping colors in mind. Now press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected part on new layer. Now this part is on different layer. Now hold Shift and stretch this part to both end of screen. Repeat this process. Now select this layer and hold Shift and select the last layer. Now convert them into smart object. Get ready for the action now. Go to Filter, Distort, then Polar Coordinates. Select the rectangular to polar and hit OK. This filter joins the ends of the rectangle in circular shape. Now rasterize the layer and adjust this layer according to your taste. Try to make it circle. Now make a mask and paint with black on unwanted area. Be careful on edges. Now it's time to add shadows. Create a new layer above this layer. Hold Alt and Sig between the layers to create clipping mask. Now whatever you will do, it will be limited to this layer only. Now take brush with black color and decrease the flow to 5 to 10%. Make brush very soft and just paint. To remove black spots, apply Gaussian blur to the shadow layer. Go to Filter, Blur, then Gaussian blur. Now the shadow is smooth. Let's create beautiful background. Click on adjustment layer icon and choose gradient. Choose black to white gradient. Change this to radial. And reverse the gradient. Now increase the size. That's how you can create this amazing pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Design Spark for more such tutorials.